Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's August 14, Wednesday. We have big news today in the New York session. So we'll look at the daily and then we'll talk about the news. Maybe we'll find some, 1 hour time frame ideas. Why not? Morning, Geo. Morning, Robert. Morning, Hania. Morning, Kalin or Katalin. Morning, everyone. So, on my screen, I have Bitcoin on daily. As you can see, we're above 60K. That's good. We closed the candle above that level. That doesn't make it automatically bullish. You can see we have the short reload zone just above. I could change a little bit here. So let's remove 38.2, let's extend to the right, and you can see the short reload zone is here. And yeah, okay, it's bullish, we can push higher, but look here, a confluence between big short reload zone and a smaller one at 64. If the events or the news will be favorable, Bitcoin could push to that level. On lower time frame, I'm already looking for short ideas. We are already short because on lower time frame we can take this swing low, swing high, swing low, and we are already in a short reload zone here. I love to see that Bitcoin managed to close above 60K. That makes automatically, okay, bullish will go to the all-time high. No, but it's a sign that we accepted above that level, and we can, if we'll stay above 60K, we can push to the next level. And the next level you can see is here, 64. Morning, Rocco. Indicators, well, not too many things to say about indicators. Finally, I see some movement in OBV. I like that. I was disappointed yesterday about this one. Now it's recovering. RSI on daily, it's still below 50 level. Not bullish. It's rejecting this level. Let's take a look at Ethereum on daily, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and then we can go on lower time frame. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin, Ethereum versus dollar, you can see here we have potential trying to form a bottom here, but still not a good location for us. I was waiting lower for a long. You can see we are between short and long reload zone. Even if I take the last swing high to the swing low, you can see we are not in the short reload zone yet, so not a good location to think short. Definitely not a good location now to think long. So nothing special for the moment. And you can see OBV is not following for the moment. OBV is still at the bottom here. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance here. I still have a hope here on, 4-hour chart, but on daily chart specifically to get an EM. You can see I draw a short reload zone here. We rejected from that. Let's go on 4-hour chart. 1 second. You can see we rejected from that level. We'll form a big EM. Well, we'll have to go below this level to form that daily EM. It's okay-ish. I don't complain here. You can see trend line. The other side, we have some EMs. We broke down. We bearish retest the initial EM, and we are rejecting again. Doesn't look bad for altcoins. But to be clear and to be more aggressive, I need market to close a daily candle below, 56.80, kind of. That will be a good sign. Some people will say, well, until then it's too late. Well, be more aggressive if you want. If you want, you can become more aggressive and try to hunt ideas now. You have access on Holy Grail, you can do that. So it's still possible to form that EM I was talking about. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, not too many things we can say here. Dead cat bounce, okay, kind of a W here, not the best one. But until I'll see the market accepting above 0.05, nah. It's not. It's just a dead cat bounce. And market, it's bouncing around even if it's going down. You can see going down, bounce, going down, bounce, going down, bounce, going down, bounce. Simple. So we'll become bullish when I'll see the structure in the market changing, when I'll see a clear W, higher highs, higher lows, retest of the W, things like that. Until then, it's just a dead cat bounce. Morning Bukur. Guys, if you like the content, hit the like. If you don't like the content, hit dislike. Type in the chat if you have any questions or requests, please. I'll gladly take a look. I prefer to keep the live stream shorter than 30 minutes, but if we have requests, we can go more than that. So, not too many things changed on Ethereum versus Bitcoin here. DXY, well, you can see it's touching the big long reload zone here. Still in the range, nothing to do. Nothing to say special about DXY. Total market cap is similar with Bitcoin here. Total 2 similar to total 1 and with Bitcoin, and total 3 it's similar. Let's just call it that way. Yeah, I want to see total 3 above this level. I want to see at least accepting above this level and pushing higher, stepping up. For the moment, it's just going sideways. So not bullish yet. On the long run, okay, I'm damn bullish, you know that. Everyone should know that. Well, yesterday in the New York session, we discussed some trades. 2 days ago, yeah, we had this long. I'm still in that long with 50%. I had here a shark setup exactly at 59,600. Stopped me out at scratch, that one. And now I'm already, let's put 1 hour chart, it's better. I'm already short with the shark setup. Now, if I take this swing high, swing low, this is 78.6 shark setup. I said yesterday in the New York session I'll take that setup. I took it. It's at scratch at the entry. Nothing I can do about it at this point in time. If we'll go belly up and will stop me out here, I don't know if I'll play this level. I think I'll play the next one as an SFU. So I prefer to play this one. If I'll see the market pushing here, okay, I'll go on lower time frame, 5-minute chart for example, and there I could hunt a short SFU. For the moment I'm in this one. Not too many things we can do here. We took a short. I prefer to take with shark. Some people will say, well, fuck it, I'll take a different setup. Doesn't matter. Take your setup, live with the results. The important thing is to have a vetted setup. So a setup you know that in time will be profitable, and to respect the risk management. On this specific trade, doesn't matter if it's a win or a loss. Some people just don't get it. Yeah? Some people don't understand the concepts and the idea that a good risk management and a good plan could make you profitable when you don't need to go a day in, day out job. For example, if you learn to trade and you'll take 2 trades on average every day, that will make 20 trades a month. If you have a 50% win rate with a 2-to-1 risk to reward, and for example, let's say you risk $50 on every trade, you have $1,000 every month. Yeah? So, if you have a 5K portfolio, you can make some real money if you become a good, successful trader. The problem is to be consistent and to learn and become that trader that could respect the plan. I just give you an example, a textbook one with a small amount without anything else. So you don't need more than 2 setups. You don't need a damn big portfolio. The problem lies between the monitor and the chair. That's the big problem on every trader. It's not how many monitors you have. It's not how many I don't know, tool you use. It's about that guy in front of the computer. That's the problem. Hey Ken. So I'm short. I don't care if I'll be stopped out or I'll hit my take profit. I set the setup, I put it in the market, and I'll just wait. Like Ken was saying, and I was posting on Discord in the morning, we have news today. So let's see the news and then we'll go and hunt for more setups. You can see here CPI, everything it's grouped in before we'll start live streaming and before the New York session will start. That's good. At least we'll know we'll have the report behind us and we can trade in the New York session. So don't be greedy. Don't try to outsmart the market. Stay out in the news. If you are a day trader, stay out. If you are a swing trader, you don't really care. If you are a position trader, you don't care about the news at all. But if you are a day trader, you should be out. You should be default position. Default position for trader is 100% in cash. Okay. Now let's go back on the chart here. And I'll take the first one. I'll take TON on 4-hour chart. I think 4-hour chart is better. You can see TON. Stefan even managed to get a trade here, if I remember correctly, yesterday on TON. He took the profit off, made some money, that's good. Now to buy it here, no, just asking for trouble. It's resistance here, look left. So buying here, not the best idea. Indeed, we have a W. We can think about a bot setup here. So I think we have a 33% here. Let's see. I'll do that. Let's see if we have a bot. Bot one. And there you go. So barely, but okay. Touch 33%. Valid setup. Let's clone this one. Okay. Let's put this one. Let's go on the other one. There you go. So entry here. Take profit here. You have one low, two lows. Maybe the market will come back and form the third low and then will touch 25%. It's up to you how you enter the trade. Either you wait for a retracement here and you work with a limit order. Either you wait for a retracement below the entry and then you put a stop limit order here. So the market should go up again to take your entry. Not a bad idea. You have a 3-to-1 here. A bot setup has a 3-to-1. Not bad. But in the same time, look left, you have a lot of resistance, so don't risk too much. And in the same time, pump chaser zone will be a good area to watch. Look here. Look left. We have some, I don't know what will happen. If the pump chaser zone will not give me a W, I'll wait for a long reload zone and so on. You know the drill. I don't have a specific setup here. Ethereum, we talked about. CRV is just pushing higher. Don't chase it. Don't chase here. Don't chase. We'll come back. We'll come. Will give us an entry. E-gold. Well, you can see. Touch 33%. Same idea. Bot setup. You can see a bot setup here. If Bitcoin will hold the levels, I saw a lot of bot setups on 4-hour chart on altcoins. So you can see an AB equals CD pretty easy on altcoins if Bitcoin will hold above 60k. If Bitcoin will drop below 60k, well, then I think we can go even we can go lower in long reload zone and so on. Joe. Similar, wait for a clear W here, the other side of the trend line, it's trying to form something. Pay attention. No setup here for the moment. Similar, kind of a bot setup here, but all depends on Bitcoin. FET is lazy, I think needs more consolidation, we discussed that. Solana is lazy, seems like doesn't want to push higher again, but same idea. If you will see a clear W breakout and retest, you can take a trade. Alt, well, it's trying to form some steps to the upside, but Now I need back in the long reload zone, not a good location to swing trade. Dimension, similar, you can see is pushing higher, but Aevo, similar. I don't want to chase Aevo here. I bought on spot. Aevo here, lower. I'll take a trade if I'll see a retracement, a W, then we can talk about. Manta, we had a trade yesterday. We are still in on 1 hour chart, if you remember, from the New York session. You can see the bot. A, B, C, D, 1 lows, 2 lows, 3 lows, entry, breakout, retest. This is the classic retest of the W. So if it's bullish and wants to continue, this is the moment you can enter again. What will happen? I don't know. I'm already in the trade and I'll leave with the results. What I don't like, I said it yesterday, I don't like the equal lows here. Too close one to each other. Don't like that. But a trade is a trade. ING, you can see here, I'm trying to frame something here, but no, I don't like what I see. It's strong, okay, it's stronger than the rest, but it's stable than the rest, it's more stable than the rest, but we are in the middle of the channel here. We had kind of a breakout and retesting this level, but not necessarily bullish for me. Sorry, I need a good risk reward to take a risk in the market, especially when we have news. So today, because we have news, it's better to scalp in, out. If you get at 1-to-1, close 50% or move your stop to scratch, be more aggressive or on making a free position. You know that. We can take 50% at 1-to-1, or we can move our stop to scratch to eliminate the risk on that position. Not too many things new from yesterday. Similar levels on the market. Monday high, Monday low play, well, is there. I know Stefan loves that. But for the moment, we are fighting at the Monday high. If we'll accept back below, then, well, okay, we can test the middle of this range, or even Monday low, maybe. Who knows? Depending on the news, depending what will happen, how many bombs will drop today, and things like that. I see a range here. Fighting at 60k is not bad for us, because even Stefan, he said, well, it's bad, it's ugly. At some point in time, Stefan managed to see, well, the market is moving in a specific pattern. Big move up, consolidation, consolidation, big move up. If I'm on the right side of the trade, then I could make a really nice profit. If I'm on the wrong side of the trade, I'll get a small stop loss and that's it. So we have to adapt. If we see the market is consolidating and moving violently and then consolidating again, we can anticipate that will behave similar next time. The problem here, it's at 60k, you can see we had a expanding volatility, and now the volatility is getting lower and lower until will not be profitable to even put a trade. Hopefully will not be the case, because that could break our day. If you don't have volatility as a trader, nothing you can do. And we need some volatility on Bitcoin to be able to make some money. If it's too low, the fees will be too big, the position size has to be too big, and is not profitable anymore. Well, slow and steady. If I'll see with Stefan, if I'll see something new, I'll post in premium chat. I'll just go now and trade with Stefan and the VIP. I don't see any questions. I don't see too much interest in trading crypto these days. Too bad. Too bad. I see some consistent people, but too bad that the public and the majority of the crypto traders are not interested. Now is the time to learn. Now is the time to push it, not when the market is hitting all-time high. It's up to you guys. We have Capua 1 starting in less than 1 month. If you have friends or if you want to join Capua 1, DM me and we'll gladly take you in. I think everyone from Crypto Traders Arena should do Capua 1. That's my opinion. Everyone, including the old guys, the guys with some experience, because we'll remind them the basics. It's never too much to review the basics. It's up to you guys. We still have some places, only 20 people every term, but we still have room. Join us if you want. If you want to, I don't know, sharpen your tools and scalp, then you can go on Capua 2 with Stefan and I, and you can trade with us on VIP for 3 months, and you'll learn new setups, new things. That being said, I don't see requests. Market is kind of boring here. I saw the daily close here, but I'm not convinced. Could be a fake out. You can see one high, a lower high, and another lower high. Stefan, tell me what pattern is this? High, lower high, another lower high. Something. Maybe. Who knows? Let's see if in the news or today 60k will hold as a support. If not, well, back down. Back down and pump chaser zone, back down in the long reload zone. We'll see. Level by level, we'll make some money. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you guys in the New York session or tomorrow with the same live stream. Bye bye.